Daily learning.
A message for myself. Hey, it's okay. Really, it's okay. You don't have to have everything figured out right now. You don't have to know exactly where you're going or how your story will end. Sometimes life feels like walking through a fog. You can't see too far ahead, and that's scary. But even if you can only see one step, that one step is enough to keep moving forward. You don't need to rush to the finish line, because there isn't one. There's just you, learning and growing, one small piece at a time. And that's beautiful in its own quiet way. Sometimes you might feel like everyone else is running faster than you. You see people your age already reaching their dreams, and you start wondering, why am I still here? But please remember this. Your path is not supposed to look like theirs. You were never meant to walk the same road as anyone else. Maybe your journey is slower. Maybe it's full of pauses. Maybe it's filled with questions and detours. But that doesn't make it less meaningful. You are not behind. You are not late. You are simply taking the time you need, and that's something brave people do. I know there are mornings when you wake up feeling tired, even though you slept. You look at your to-do list and feel like the world expects too much from you. You tell yourself, I should be stronger. I should be doing better. But strength doesn't always mean running non-stop. Sometimes, strength means sitting quietly and saying, today, I will just try to breathe. You are strong even when you take a break. You are brave even when all you do is survive another day. Resting doesn't mean giving up. It means you respect your limits. You are allowed to move slowly toward your dreams. Don't let anyone tell you that slow progress is useless. Every small effort you make, even when it feels invisible, still counts. Every time you choose to try again after failing, you're building a stronger version of yourself. You're walking towards something meaningful, even if it doesn't look like much now. Someday, you'll look back and see that all those small steps created a beautiful path. Please, don't push yourself until you break. You don't need to chase perfection, because perfection isn't real. What's real is your tired hands, your kind heart, your effort, your quiet courage. When your body says it's tired, listen. When your heart says it's heavy, take a rest. You are a living human being, not a machine. You need time to heal, to recharge, to remember why you started. Don't be ashamed to slow down. The world can wait. Sometimes you forget how far you've come because you're too busy thinking about how far you still have to go. But take a second to look back. Remember the nights you cried and still got up the next morning. Remember the times you thought you couldn't make it, but somehow you did. That's you. The same you who is still standing, still trying, still believing in something better. You've survived so much already, and you deserve to be proud of that. Your body deserves love, not judgment. It's been your home through everything, through laughter, through pain, through long days and sleepless nights. Be gentle with it. Feed it when it's hungry. Let it rest when it's tired. Stretch it when it feels stiff. Don't be angry at your reflection just because it doesn't look like someone else's. You're not supposed to be them. You're supposed to be you. Soft, unique, perfectly human. And your soul, dear me, your soul needs care too. You don't always have to be strong. You can let yourself cry when the world feels heavy. You can admit that you're lost without feeling weak. You can stop pretending that you're okay when you're not. Your feelings are not something to be fixed. They're something to be felt. Let them flow through you, and let them teach you how to understand yourself better. You've been growing quietly, even when you didn't notice. Every time you forgive yourself for making mistakes, you grow. Every time you choose peace instead of anger, you grow. Every time you decide to rest instead of giving up, you grow. Growth doesn't always make noise. Sometimes it's quiet, gentle, and hidden. But it's there, inside you, every single day. You are allowed to take your time. There is no rush to reach your dream. There is no rule that says you must have your life figured out by a certain age. Time is not your enemy. It's your friend, giving you the space to learn, to heal, to change, to start again. You are allowed to move slowly. You are allowed to begin again as many times as you need. When you feel like you're falling behind, remember this. Not every flower blooms in the same season. Some take longer, and that's okay. The world will still make space for your bloom. The sunlight will still reach you when it's your time. You don't need to rush your own becoming. You will bloom when you're ready. Softly, beautifully, and completely. You still have time. You still have endless chances to try again. You still have mornings full of new light, afternoons that smell like rain, nights that feel peaceful. You still have laughter waiting for you, people you haven't met yet, moments you haven't lived yet. Life is still opening its arms for you. Don't let fear tell you that it's too late. And when you fall, because yes, sometimes you will, please don't hate yourself for it. Falling doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're trying. The ground is not your end. It's just a place to rest before standing again. Be gentle when you pick yourself up. Say kind words to yourself, not harsh ones. You don't have to rise perfectly. You just have to rise. Be patient with your heart. It's learning how to trust again, how to love yourself fully, how to stop apologizing for existing. Be patient with your mind. It's learning to stop comparing, to stop doubting, to stop expecting too much. Be patient with your life. Everything will find its way to you when it's time. Look at yourself in the mirror sometimes and smile. Tell yourself, I'm proud of you. You've been through more than most people know.
You've fought battles no one saw.
And yet here you are, still trying, still hoping, and still believing in better days. You are the proof that even slow progress is still progress. It's okay to not be okay all the time. It's okay to rest. It's okay to cry. It's okay to take a break and start again when you're ready. You are not lazy. You are healing. You are learning. You are growing in silence, and that's something to be proud of.
So, dear me, please go easy.
Walk softly. Let life move slowly. You don't need to rush to catch the sun. It will rise again tomorrow. What's meant for you will not leave. Your dreams will still be there when you're ready to hold them. You are precious. Every part of you, your heart, your thoughts, your hopes, your fears, all of it deserves care. Don't forget that. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to live slowly. You are allowed to be gentle with yourself. And one day, when you look back, you'll see how far you've come. You'll smile and whisper, I did it. I made it through. But until that day comes, keep walking slowly, kindly, softly.
Keep being you.
Keep believing that slow is still strong. You're doing fine, dear me. You're doing just fine.